Today in this video, we're going to go through the all new snap trades strategy. It is a scalping strategy that basically it opens at 9:45. That is where the trade window opens. And then from there, if we get a buy or a sell, we will get in a quick options position. And then from there, it will go till if it goes the full trade, it will go till 12 o'clock. So how does that sound? Does that strategy sound pretty cool? We actually just have one triggered this morning on Apple, and I want to show you how this works. And this is a strategy indicator on Tradingview. And so what it does is it will paint these. So the first steps it'll do is at 9 o'clock, at 9:30 as soon as it opens, as soon as the next 5 minute, this is a 5-minute candle. This is their 5-minute candles. As soon as we open and go to the next candle, it'll turn pink, 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 right? It'll have 3 candles that are pink here. And so these is essentially, that's just telling you this is the zone. This is where price needs to find a top and a bottom. Once it does that, you will get this little zone that will start to appear. And basically now this is the snap zone. This is the zone where price needs to break above or below. So once it actually breaks above and confirms, so basically we're looking at the first 15 minutes, and as soon as it breaks above the 15-minute candle on the 5-minute chart, this is the strategy on the 5-minute chart, we will go long. So see right here, this candle broke. So now the entry was right there. So now you get in this with stocks. This can work on really anything, Forex, crypto. It's really dialed in with the stock market, but you can use it with Forex on the opening bell on the New York session. You can actually adjust the time, which is really cool. So we actually have it so you can adjust the snap range. So you can adjust it to any time, ever, right? And then you can even adjust when you want the trading hours to be. So it kind of fits your style. So if you're trading the London, if you're trading the New York session, whatever. And we're going to be dialing in a lot more with Forex. But for right now, we are focused on stocks, in particular with options. And so what I want to do is I want to show you this over here as well. So this is a live trade with it. So say we got in. So this is where we got in. So you see the line on the left here on the right. So this is the same exact time frame. And so this was our entry at 475. So this is what the option price would have been at this position, right? And then so now it has actually, I mean, it was a really nice, solid momentum trade. We did not get out, and it's actually now at 555. I think this may be delayed a little bit, but basically at the time of this, it's dropping down a little bit. But basically the time of this, I think look, so it's about 15 minutes delayed. So we're probably around 525 right now, but I kind of think this is cool to show, be able to see the actual price over here as well. So that's not bad. I mean, that's not bad at all. So from 475 to 540, that's a nice little chunk of change that you could have got in this quick little in and out scalp. Now, here's the thing. It has not exited yet. So if you follow our recommended exit criteria, it'll exit at 12 o'clock, or if it hits the take profit target. And so we actually have all the take profit targets here, the ATR multiplier of 3. So that's where the default take profit. So you can adjust it if you, different tickers would definitely be better, adjusting us a little bit. But look at that. So if I did it 2, it would have exited here at 11 or at 10:35. So if we do at 3, it is still not exited yet. So we're kind of just going sideways right now. That's pretty cool. I think this is this has a lot of potential for options traders, for scalpers, for those who are wanting to get in at, in the morning, get dirty, get down and dirty in the mornings and get at some of these options positions. And so my team, me and my team, we are working on right now, we're kind of just in the early stages of this. And, but we are blown away at this opening breakout range strategy. And I think that, we can continue to dial in this, basically take profit targets and stop losses, things like that. And I think this could end up being one of our best scalping systems that we have for, for in the morning trades. So it'll definitely be exciting. It'll definitely be exciting to see how this thing plays out. But yeah, so if you want to grab this, we will have a link somewhere below, somewhere in the comments or in the description, where you can see a little bit more about how this thing works. But I basically laid out step by step how this thing operates in the morning. And but yeah, so if you want to get your hands on this, go ahead and grab it. We have a beta only. We have a time frame where we are just going to accept beta users. Then we're going to get some feedback and then possibly launch it at a later time this year. We just want to make sure this is the best possible scalping system that we can get. There's still a couple things that we want to add, so we're kind of working on that, and that's why it's in beta, obviously. So you can get a better price than anybody else. So if that's interesting to you, go ahead and grab it. If not, I'll probably be sharing a little more snap trades, maybe some live streams, things like that. I think that would be really cool. If you would want something like that, give us a quick little thumbs up. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.